If you're creating content that Google deems low quality, redundant, or simply not up to par, it's at risk of being relegated to Google's spam bucket. And we all know what happens to content in the spam bucket. It disappears from search engine results. But here's the silver lining. Not all AI content is doomed. In fact, if you're among the select few who can produce high-quality, unique SEO content using AI, you could stand to benefit immensely from this crackdown. Our special live event will dive into what you can do to safeguard your current content's position and move it up the SERPs. Plus, imagine this. As Google purges all the spammy content from its rankings, those who can create content that Google loves are poised to strike gold in terms of SEO, and we're going to dive into this too. Don't wait to lock in your spot to what's going to be a very highly attended event. Only 1,000 seats are available and going very quickly. Elevate your content to meet the standards of the world's most popular search engine. Help your local businesses and clients climb the search engine rankings and maintain their coveted top positions. Dominate other niches by replacing undesirable spam AI content. Get bonuses and potentially win big prizes just for attending. And more. Click on the link given in description and in comment section. And check out the full video in my channel to know how I make undetectable AI content that Google loves.